Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. Today we're going to go over a Whirlpool ice maker not working. One thing you want to check is your temperature in your freezer. If your freezer isn't below 10 degrees, it's not going to make ice, it's not going to produce, and it's not going to call for ice. Another thing that you want to check out that could be, you know, a simple thing, they got bumped, or it could just never been turned on in the first place. So you remove your ice tray, and then we see this little metal tab right here. Right now, it's on the on position, so we know our ice maker is going to work. If it's flipped up like this, it's in the off position, but you can also look right here on your ice maker itself. It shows that bar and what position it's going to be on or off. Not sure if you guys can see that. We're close enough, but that's where you're going to find that at. That information on where this bar needs to be located to be an on or off is going to be on your ice maker cover, which is located right there. If you check those things and it's still not making ice, still not producing, then you're going to want to call an appliance technician to get out there and look at it. Could be a water issue, a water valve issue, or like I said, it could just not be cooling properly. That's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.